Hey, welcome to Rev-n-Rip Sports Collections. We have a half box of the Skybox Series II NBA basketball card, 1990-91 season. We are looking for that MJ, looking for that iconic Gary Payton draft with those burst of collars. All of these cards are very bright. But if you want to look at part one of this box break, that is on my son's channel, which is Gaming in Sports. I'm sorry, Gaming in Cards. In with an N. Gaming in Cards. He was able to pull the Michael Jordan here on the front of the box, and a couple real nice Magic Johnsons, the one where he's holding the MVP trophy. So we're still looking. He did not pull the Gary Payton. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 18 packs here. This is part 2 of this box. Again, go to Gaming in Cards on YouTube, and he has a lot of good videos there of card breaks as well. He pulled a couple nice Michael Jordans yesterday, so those videos are up and available. So if you would like and subscribe both channels and like the videos, and we'll keep producing these, and we'll do more double box breaks. Keep things interesting. Got John Stockton. Had these nice, bright, colorful team cards. Really no value. I mean, you could get a 10, and somebody might want to highlight that. Sam Vincent. Let's see. We'll just keep rolling through these. We'll call out the names that we're looking for. Detlef Shrimp. All right. These packs are not the easiest to open, but we will get through this. Having a hard time there. Let's see, Kenny Battle, Ron Harper. Bruce Grant. Denver Nuggets. And Alexander Volkov. So, kind of got 2 duds there. But, still have plenty more to go. Man, I am going to just cut these and quit fooling with it. Got the fuzzy there, Cavs. It's a Kendall Gill draft. Craig Hodges. Scottie Pippen. Sleeve Scottie there. Since he is our first big name pull, sleeve Scottie, and put him up on the stand. Maybe. Some of these get finicky. I'm not sure that one's open all the way. Let's grab another here. Well, I am tired of fooling with this one. There we go, finally. Scottie Pippen on the deck. I like these cellophane wrappers though, and the fact there's no gum in here, but these cards are different, like the collars. Isaiah Thomas, Nick Anderson, P.J. Armstrong again. Looking for that PSA 10 MJ. It's a hot card. I believe that is his only card in this set, which is why it's valuable. Mark West. Checklist. Yep, double-sided. Get that glare off there. I'll have to hold these cards a little differently. In a different location. We go here. Kenny Walker, Bo Kimball, the draft. In there with Kendall Gill. Knicks, it's a good looking card. Looking for Sean Kemp as well. Clyde Drexler. Here's Glenn Rice. That is, I think that might be Glenn Rice's rookie. Let's go ahead and sleeve that Glenn Rice, huh? I think that is his rookie card, but I might be mistaken. I'll look into that after this. So if it is not, don't beat me up over it. Again, this is part 2 to the box break. Part 1 is at Gaming in Cards. Keep Olajuwon. Magic Johnson's cards in these go pretty well as a PSA 10. Kenny Smith. Cliff Robinson. Mark Jackson. Not the draft we're looking for, but we'll get there hopefully. Been nice to got the one guy on the front that we're looking for. The glove, Gary Payton himself. There's David Robinson. Nice card. John Stockton again. Plenty more to go. All right, time to wake up on this one. Yeah, we only pulled gaming in cards. He only pulled one MJ out of this. We're looking for another. He gets to keep the MJs that he pulls, and I keep the ones that I pull. So I need one for my collection. Right now he's got about 15 more Michael Jordan cards than I do. So, and I started 30 years collecting before he did. So it tells you he's got some pretty good luck. Bobby Hansen, Kurt Rambis. This is, I think he opened up the smart side of the box. I got the dud. Time to change that luck. Tim Hardaway, Dominique Wilkins, starting to wake up here. Rick Mahorn, James Worthy, all right, about 6 more, 5 more, it's 5. Wrong one. Xavier McDaniel. There's old Stu Jackson. Clyde Drexler. Glenn Rice again. Bill Laimbeer. All right, 4 packs to go. Let's get something good. Even if it's the last pack. Keep that thrill alive to the end, right? But I prefer to have 2 hot packs. There's no way I would pull 2 nice cards out of 1 pack. Jerry Sloan. Man, dud, dud, dud. Dud, dud. Somebody's stepped in this puddle of water and made up money. Come on, Rick Adelman, change our luck here. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. There we go. Now let's pull me that MJ. Let's keep the thrill going. We got 2 more packs. Just pulled the Gary Payton NBA Draft iconic card. Seattle Supersonics, the glove. And I believe I like this card with all the bright greens. Look at that. Let's go ahead and put that one in there. Sleeve here, the hard case. That looks nice. That looks real good. That looks grading potential. I am not seeing left, right, up, down. That might go in. PSA. I believe we'll send that one in. And when we do that, I'm going to read up on that this weekend and figure that out. Send in a bunch of cards, split it. 10 from Rev-n-Rip Sports Collections and 10 from Gaming and Cards. And we'll see what we come back with. We'll have a little competition on that. And we'll video that and we'll put that video up. Now I like this. I have seen this one go. I will sleeve that one. And then we'll see who's, that is nice. I didn't realize Dennis Scott was drafting that. We'll see who pulls the most 10s when we get those back. Typically, it takes Patrick Ewing about 2 months, 60 days, give or take. Phil Jackson, I like Phil. Man, that Bulls card, I like that. I've seen that one graded as a 10. You know, you can pull 50 bucks. It's nice how they have the heat, the steam coming out of the nostrils there on the bowl. And this was the team when this was the championship team. Got the checklist. You got Michael Jordan. So that one looks good. Might just send that baby in too here. Maybe not on the first round, but the second round. Nice. That's nice. I like that. All right. Now, can we pull an MJ out of this last pack? Because that's what I'm hoping for. That's where my mind is at. Let's see. Because right now, like I said, we only pulled one out of this box. There you go. Hawks. It's my team. Derek Coleman. Nice. We'll roll with that. We'll slide that into a gray and into a penny sleeve. Was not expecting the Derek Coleman. Didn't even cross my mind. Nice. That Derek Coleman right there with that Glenn Rice. Oh, good thing he's in a hard case, right? So we got follow up here. We got the Gary Payton NBA draft. Got the Chicago Bulls Michael Jordan checklist. Scottie Pippen. And we got the Derek Coleman NBA draft. So that was the 3 best pulls out of this box. Again, if you want to watch part 1 of this, of this box's rip, then go to Gaming and Cards, watch it. Pulls a couple of nice cards of Michael Jordan out of there, Magic Johnson, and a few others. And appreciate y'all watching this Rev-n-Rip. I will be opening up another half box of NBA Hoops 1990-91 season. That has the Mark Jackson with the Menendez brothers. And my son, he broke the first half of that box, and he pulled the Sam Vincent with the number 12 jersey, Michael Jordan. So I'm looking for that one as well. I don't have that in my collection. That is in his. Looking for the Menendez brothers, and then anything else that that would be spectacular out of that one. So any Michael Jordan. So appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you.